Hey there my friends, what is going on? Vitai Dubin is here and welcome to another episode of today's In Crypto Show. How do you guys feel? Today I want to talk to you about how to not fall into a trap. There are a lot of people maybe falling right now because what we are seeing is this death cross when the moving average of 200 days and 50 days have been colliding here, and how it is not anymore a reliable indicator for when to sell and when to buy the Bitcoin price. In fact, half of the time that you would have sold Bitcoin because of the death cross, you would actually lose money if you sell on death cross and buy on golden cross. So I want to talk about that and some exciting news happening in the market. It's going to be a short one, so buckle up. What we are seeing, the market is doing pretty good right now despite some negative sentiment in the overall traditional markets. The bank stocks are kind of falling, the tech stocks are falling. We've seen some correlation with the stock market as Bitcoin has printed this candle yesterday, but Bitcoin is holding good. And looking at the weekly charts, right, what we ideally want to see is this week closing in 2 days above this candle, above $47,000. So that's ideally, just like we had right here. This week closed and we had the reversal of trend that we want to see. So, but at least we have a green week, so that's great, going good. The bulls have stepped in, not let Bitcoin fall below $40,000. And historically, you know, when we fall here, the market was like an extreme fear. This has been historically the best times to buy. And looking at this death cross that we are seeing right now, you know, it's not a reliable indicator to whether right now is a good time to sell and everything is going to crash. And the golden cross, when the 50-day moving average above the 200-day moving average, that's when I want to buy. Look at this right here. This was the death cross, the previous one, right? If you had sold during this death cross, yeah, you would made a little bit of money, $5,000 here, but you would actually lose money because the next golden cross was here. So you would be selling Bitcoin at $35,000, $38,000, and buying Bitcoin back at $46,000, right? That's the recent indication of the death cross and the golden cross. Okay, so it's not always a reliable indicator. Look at here, for example, right? If you had sold here on the death cross, you would be selling Bitcoin at $6,000 and you'll be buying Bitcoin at $9,000. So you would lose a significant amount of money. So you don't want to be falling into this trap, seeing, okay, this is a death cross right here. So based on that reason, you know, just to sell, because we are right now at levels of support, right? You don't want to be selling at support levels. We have a very significant support coming in here all the way from January 2021. We had some resistance here, we had some resistance here, we had support here, we had support here. So this is a very significant level of support that we are into right now. And yeah, you do not want to be selling into areas of support. Okay, now Mark Cuban, look at this, the famous Shark Tank. He says that all new investments that are non-Shark Tank related are coming back into the crypto sector. 80% of it. Way to go, Mark Cuban. That's the new economy that we are living in. He's not interested in investing his money elsewhere. He wants to put 80%, and that's a very smart man, a very smart billionaire. He wants to put 80% of his money back to crypto investments. Now look at this. Rio de Janeiro mayor plans to invest 1% of the city's treasury in crypto. He's following the steps of the Miami mayor, right? And also he doesn't want to put this money into gold. He wants to put this money into crypto. Okay, so that's what's happening right now. 70% of US crypto holders started investing in 2021. Of course, we've seen a big boom in the markets 2021. There has been a rush from people to get into the crypto. That's of course according to some respondents. I don't know how many, what's the survey, how many people they surveyed right there, but that's quite a lot. They polled 3,100 American adults in mid-December to assess their knowledge in crypto, what they think about the crypto market rise in 2021. Interesting statistic. Tonga is a small little country that is going to copy the El Salvador's bill making Bitcoin legal tender. That's great to see. Not so good news from Pakistan. Pakistan are planning to ban crypto. Not so good for Pakistanis. They will find ways to get into crypto or move from Pakistan. I don't know, but what are you doing, Pakistan? What are you doing? Solana is being assessed to become the Visa of the crypto, according to Bank of America Digital Asset Strategies prediction. So the Solana network actually has been grown way bigger than and faster than Ethereum. I mean, not bigger, but faster than Ethereum. With a market cap of 47 billion, selling over 50 billion transaction and minting over 5.7 million NFTs on the Solana blockchain. There is this craze, the gold rush to buy some NFTs on the Solana blockchain. It's happening. You can watch the calendar. There's a lot of hype around this. The first DEX on Oasis network finally hits $100 million total value lock in the first 24 hours. There's a lot of capital flowing into the Oasis network. This is L1. Oasis network is doing great. So congratulations. It's a great start and great launch. And this is why the market slumped. Retail sales dropped 1.9% in December as higher prices caused consumers to curb spending. You know, inflation, man. Inflation is on the rise, so they don't want to spend as much as high prices, right? Because of that. And the market, the tech stocks, the stocks market is, you know, obviously reacting negatively to this type of news. Finally, this SundaeSwap is about to launch any day now. They've been on a testnet, and this is built on the Cardano ecosystem. So this launch of DEX on Cardano, SundaeSwap, can expect a lot of money flowing into it as a liquidity and jump in the price of Cardano as a result of it. So it's $1.27 right now, and Cardano at the peak was over $3. So it's down 60% right now from the peaks. So Cardano can make it quickly there, and the launch of SundaeSwap can really help Cardano with that. And of course, the drip network continue to grow. We have the price of drip $76. This is the number 2 DeFi on the Binance Smart Chain, doing really well. They're growing by 700 to 800 people and users a day. It's one of the fastest, if not the fastest, growing protocol on DeFi on Binance Smart Chain right now. So it's really exciting, and you want to learn how to use that to receive passive income, to grow your wealth with it. Go to deflationarydailyroi.com, watch my webinar, see how it works, and the value of one drip can potentially be at $1.3 thousand according to the developer, which has a very high reputation, been in crypto already 9 years. So there you go. Do not fall into the Bitcoin trap, and do not sell your Bitcoin. We are great times in ahead, and smash up the like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, boost the algorithms, let other people know about what we are doing here, support the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Today in Crypto Show.